ShanDizzlers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you to all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. If you have not as yet, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and share with your friends. Today's video, I'm just going to tell you about my doctor's appointment that I had yesterday. Remember, in the previous video I stated that I would go and check out what's happening, and I was going to record this yesterday, but they got me so frustrated and so upset, so I didn't bother to do it. Alright, so yesterday I went. My doctor told me that he wasn't going to be there, so he asked me to see the second in command or something like that. I went there and they told me that he had a presentation doing, so I was like, okay, I'll wait. And other patients were there to see my doctor and they decided to wait also. Then they said I'll have to wait like till after 11. I said fine, I don't have a problem. I left my house early and I didn't eat because I just wanted to go there. I didn't stop anywhere to eat anything because I just wanted to get it over and done with, because I'm in a lot of pain and I wanted to know what's happening, right? Okay, so after 11 nothing, then that's fine. Then a doctor came out with my docket and he called my name. I went in, said good morning, and I respectfully asked him if he was Dr. Wright, and he said no, Dr. Wright has an appointment presentation. I'm like, okay, but I specifically told them that I don't want to see anyone else because they know I don't want to see anyone else other than my doctor, and he's not there, and he asked me to see that person. That person is who I want to see. So anyways, I was in pain, so he's a doctor nonetheless, right? Okay, I spoke to him. I told him that, listen, one of my knees is swollen and it hurts a lot. I can barely walk. And I said to him, if you look in my docket, you'll see that I'm currently taking 2 medications, the baclofen, which is a muscle relaxer and pain reliever, as well as ketoflem, that is another pain reliever, right? I said to him that I have been taking them and they're not working because the pain is intense. Something is happening. He sat there, he listened. Now, knowing my doctor, he would normally examine, take a look at the foot to see what is happening. That doctor sat there and listened to me explaining what is happening, and he did not examine my foot. I saw him took out a prescription paper and he wrote on it. I asked him, what is that? That's ketoflem. If I just told you that it's not working, why are you prescribing that for me? Because it's in your docket. Really? Now, you as a doctor, you couldn't examine me to see what is it that might be happening. Suppose my kneecap shifted against something. Really? I took it from him and I crushed it in front of him, and I told him I want a 2 weeks appointment to see my doctor when he gets here. So that's what I did. I went and I made a 2 weeks appointment. They wasted my time. No, I sat there and waited to see Dr. Wright, and they gave my docket to this person. He's a doctor, and he did not examine me to see what is happening. I'm telling you my complaints. I'm telling you that this medication is not working, and that's what you prescribed for me. You didn't even prescribe baclofen. I've been on it for years, and you did not prescribe that either. You just prescribed the one that I told you is not working. I was so upset. Now I left his office minutes to 12, and my physiotherapy appointment is 2 o'clock, the same place, 2 o'clock. So I had to sit there for 2 hours and some minutes for my physiotherapy session. And when I went there, they had a walker. They wanted to train me to walk with a walker. Did I ask for a walker? I don't want to walk with a walker. Oh, use your 2 hands and make us. I did use my 2 hands and I pulled the walker behind me. That's not the way you use the walker, Miss Morgan. I said, well, don't give it to me then. He is the one that actually took the time to find out what is happening, why I was so upset. Then he looked at my foot and he examined it, and he could finally see that something is wrong. Now, I've been telling them for over a month that something is wrong. And it's not because I'm losing my ability to walk. Something is wrong. And it took them over a month or maybe more to find out that yes, something is wrong. Then he's saying to me that there's nothing he can do today, but next week when I come, that he's going to put me through a machine to try and assist, because the muscles are tight. They're tighter than they should be. Now, I did 2 surgeries to correct that, and it's back to square one. So they're going to try the machine. My doctor won't be here until 2 weeks, so I have to wait. So I will have to bear the pain for those 2 weeks. I don't know what that physiotherapist is going to do next week, but I'm going. I am supposed to be at work 8 o'clock. And I didn't know that the bus isn't working. And it took me so long to get here. I had to call a taxi to come down the hill. Then I was at the bus stop waiting on bus, and you know what that is. That takes forever. When I finally got downtown, there was no bus, so I had to take a taxi to come up. Then I had to walk from out the gate to walk all the way to my office. It took some time. I got here about what, 8:44. If you know me, you know that I'm never late. But because the walking is hard, I told them something was wrong, and I wasted my time yesterday to go see a doctor to just, I don't even know if he was hearing me, because you could not have been listening and prescribed the same thing that I told you is not working. No, you don't know me because you have never had my file, my docket. All you could have done was read the docket and listen to me. Obviously he didn't listen. He gave me the same medication because it's in my docket. I'm the one taking it. I'm the one who knows that it's not working. I'm sorry. But I'm at work. Yeah, look at my hair. It's growing. I must say my puff is getting a little bit higher, and I can see that it's growing. It looks neat today. It looks really nice today, my point of view. I have on my brace to help me. Let me show you. I have on my brace to help me. This one is the problem. It's the problem foot right now. It hurts. So this one is the problem foot. Yeah. And this one, because all the pressure have been on it, it's acting up now, so I'm feeling pain in it. It's not as intense as this one, but I'm now feeling pain in it. So my therapist recommended that it's either I wear a brace on it or I'll bandage it. Now there's no way I'm going to wear 2 brace one time, because that is going to be so uncomfortable for me. So I put it in a bandage just for the knee to be firm, you know. So let's see how that will work for today. I don't know how I'm going to use the restroom, because walking is hard. But I didn't know how I was going to reach at work today. But I'm here. I overcome that task, and I'm here, and I will have to take the bus to go, the public transportation to go back home. Look at my shoes, y'all. It is clean. Thank you to Birdie, my co-worker and friend. She came in here, she saw how tired I was, and she cleaned my shoes for me, which I would normally do, but I was out of it. And she also lotioned my skin. So thank you, Birdie. You can go over to her YouTube channel also. It's profoundly unique. I did a YouTube video with her before, so y'all know her. I'm in form today. I don't really wear my uniform as often as I should, but because I didn't feel like ironing today, I don't want to iron anything, and I couldn't be bothered with looking for anything to wear, so I just wore my, I hope you can see me, I just wore my uniform. I wore one of the dresses. This one is the straight dress. Let me stand up so you can see. This is my uniform. I don't have my selfie stick today also. Yeah, this is my uniform. When I first got it, when I first saw the material, I hated it because I don't have anything in my, I don't have any clothes that are yellow. So this is my first yellow piece of clothing. And I hated the color, I hated the pattern, everything, but I think it looks nice on me. It's just me rambling. I don't know if I'm going to put more to this. I don't know if I'm going to show you to it, but I didn't even bring lunch because I couldn't manage it. Can't manage the weight because of the pain that I'm feeling, so I'm trying to make my bag or whatever I carry as light as possible until I sort this issue out. I'm looking at my cane and buy some rubbers. Hopefully remember to buy some rubbers. See? And that's the last one that I have, so yeah. Anyways guys, I'll see you later. I'll talk to you later. I'll update you on whether or not the pain has subsided or whether or not whatever my physiotherapist is doing will work. I will also let you know when I see my doctor and what he has to say. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I'm so sorry that I'll see you in the next video guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, and just talk to me. Let me know what y'all think. Alright, if you have any recommendation on home remedies on what I can do for the pain, I would really appreciate that. I've tried Voltaren, that don't work. I tried the hot ice, that don't work. My doctor mentioned, he suggested that I should put ice, like ice from the fridge, on my knee so it could take out the pain. It helped somewhat, but it not when walking. It doesn't help as much. So I know we Jamaican have a lot of home remedies that can help with certain situations. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I can do, any exercise that can help, please let me know. Just leave it in the comment, or you guys have my contact, so don't be afraid to message me. I'll see you next time, Dizzlers. Bye.